What we're working on with the ICATT Apprenticeship program is really to set up a structure so that manufacturers can train their workforce of the future.
The ICATT Apprenticeship program works very well for us. It's always quite frustrating when you house train an apprentice and you get to a certain point in time and academically you struggle to progress that person, and this program offers that academic side to the apprenticeship to allow you progress to wherever you want to go.
The fundamental idea behind the German dual education system is to make sure that the workforce is trained to succeed in a number of different areas. So if you're training to work on high-tech industrial machines, you'll be able to work on a machine that makes plastics, and a machine that makes metal, and a machine that might make something else.
I suggest that to my peers, that this is a program that works for us and it works for the industry and to protect our industry in the automation and in the manufacturing. If we don't have these, the industry will die. The industry will stay where it is today and we will struggle to be competitive.